Yeah, rapper son. All the way from the food and war. Rapper son. Game rappers. Game rappers. Game rappers. Game rappers. Game rappers. Rappers. Game rappers. Rappers. Shit.
He's such a bender.
Game rappers. I'm checking my checks. I'm checking my checks while I'm eating my necks. While I'm eating my necks. Nigga relax. Nigga relax. Don't be eager to act. Eager to act. I'm loving the swag. I'm loving the swag. You a hustler for real. Hustle for real. If you really do love me, can you hustle for me? Hustle for me. We never sleep. We never sleep. We going to dip. Going to dip. Late night shows. The man needs shows. I'm a hustler for real, nigga. You can ask anyone here. I do it like a king. I'm doing it big. Your flow is too dirty, you flow like a pig. You busy making 100,000 in a year, I'm busy making 100,000 in a week. Nigga relax, nigga relax. Are you kidding me? You think that I slip? I'm a hustler for real, I'm a hustle for me. I don't hustle for free, I don't hustle for you. That's why I wake up in the morning and I check my swag. I wanna know why you look this bad. I wanna know why you look this bad. Wanna know why you look this bad. Shit. Hustle, 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 hard. 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 Play, time to go, we hustle hard every day, every day, every day. They know we are here, so no more delays, delays. Got the money in the bag, got the money in the bank. You don't even need to beg, I'ma hand you with cash. Toxicity on the list, she's the leader of this, of this. Vivid said I would make it even though I knew I would take it, I would take it. I don't know if you're ready or steady or lazy, or lazy. I just know when I'm home I want you in my bed looking sexy, looking sexy. I just think, I just know, I just think that you're crazy. You so drunk, really drunk, heard you calling me daddy. You so fun, really cute, that's why I call you baby, baby, baby. You alone in my heart, that's why you are my lady, lady, lady. Money talks, so nigga be quiet, be quiet. I'm asleep, I'm feeling all tired, I'm feeling all tired. Too much drama when I get on stage. End up in a new page, cause I got a vintage, vintage. I should be in the cage.